Without asking for permission, Google Chrome has recently downloaded 4 gigabytes of data directly onto your hard drive. As Google deploys its Gemini Nano artificial intelligence across its software ecosystem, they are pushing the processing workload onto local machines rather than relying entirely on their own cloud servers. The result is a hidden file named weights.bin, taking up residence in your user data directory. This specific file contains the raw data required to run text summarization and writing assistance tools locally on your computer. Your first instinct might be to track down this file and delete it. Do not do that. Chrome treats your machine as the target destination. If you delete the file without changing the underlying instructions, the browser will simply re-download it the next time it starts up. To permanently reclaim this space, we have to proceed in 3 exact steps. Turn off the user-facing setting, block the hidden developer triggers, and safely delete the file itself. Securing your local storage requires taking deliberate, manual control over your hardware to stop these background processes from fetching unauthorized data. Step 1 is closing the front door by adjusting Chrome's standard user-facing settings. Open Chrome, click the 3-dot menu in the top right corner of your window, select Settings, and then navigate down to the System tab on the left sidebar. Look at this Chrome settings interface. You are looking for a toggle switch specifically labeled On-Device AI. Flip this toggle to the off position. By doing this, Chrome's built-in AI writing assistance and summarizing tools will stop functioning, which is the necessary trade-off to reclaim your disk space. While turning off this setting stops the model from running right now, relying on this front door isn't quite enough. To guarantee the download cannot trigger again, we have to secure the backdoor by accessing Chrome's hidden developer layer, known as the Flags menu. Click up into your browser's address bar and type exactly this: Chrome:///flags. Hit Enter. You will see an internal search box at the top of the page. Type in Optimization Guide on Device Model to isolate the specific setting we need to neutralize. Next to that entry, click the drop-down menu and change it from its default state to Disabled. Now, clear the search box and type in Prompt API for Gemini Nano. Find that flag and change its drop-down to Disabled as well. Look at the bottom of your screen. You will now see a Relaunch button. You must click this button to restart the browser and hard-code these new rules into the system configuration. By disabling these hidden developer settings, you enact an unbreakable insurance policy. Chrome is now completely blind to the AI model, preventing it from fetching the data regardless of any future background updates. With the alarms disabled and the re-download triggers blocked, your system is finally prepped for the permanent deletion of the payload itself. If you are on Windows, you can bypass hunting through hidden folders. Open your Start menu or Run dialog and paste in this exact path: %, local app data, %, /Google, /Chrome, /user data. Inside that directory, scroll down until you locate a folder named Opt Guide on Device Model. Select it, hit Delete, and then physically empty your recycle bin. For Mac users, open Finder, click Go to Folder, and enter this exact path. Locate that identical Opt Guide on Device Model folder and drag it directly to the trash. The manual removal is complete. Let's move to the final step and verify that the process was successful. This is Chrome's internal diagnostic log. Type Chrome://ondevice-internals into your address bar and click the Model Status tab. Check that it looks exactly like this, confirming there is no active model. Seeing this blank diagnostic readout confirms the 4 GB ghost file has been permanently eradicated from your system architecture. This chart represents your local storage, and you have just successfully reclaimed 4 GB of space by shutting down an unnecessary background process. The entire process is completely reversible. If you ever actively choose to utilize Chrome's local AI features in the future, you can simply turn the on-device AI setting back on and reset those 2 developer flags. Tech companies prioritize their own ecosystem efficiency, quietly commandeering your local hardware to handle their processing workloads under the guise of convenience. Thanks for following along. If you found this breakdown helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more direct, actionable hardware guides.
Digital optimization depends on mastering the hidden rules of the software you rely on every day. It is the only way to remain the true